TLE ICT 6 Online Form Builder. Good day, grade 6 learners. Our activity for today is to create your field trip permission slip. Let us create your field trip permission slip using a widely used online form builder, the Google Form. The procedure is step 1, access Google Forms. To access the Google Form, you will open your web browser just like Google, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and go to this link. This will take you to the Google Forms website. When you type the link on the address bar, you will see this, and then you click the enter. 1.2, you might need to sign in with your Google account or Gmail to proceed. You will see this interface on your cell phone or on your laptop. Step 2. Create a new form. In creating a new form, you will click on the button that says plus blank form. This will be like opening a new page for your permission slip. You will see this plus blank form. Step 3. Give your form a title. At the top where it says Untitled Form, click and type in your title. For example, Grade 6 Class Field Trip Slip. This is where the untitled form. You will click this and you will type in Grade 6 Class Field Trip Slip. Step 4. Add your questions. Now comes the fun part. Building the permission slip. Click on the plus symbol that appears under the title. This lets you add different question boxes. Here is the plus sign. You will click this and then you will see this interface on your cell phone or on your laptop. Here are the questions we will need for your permission slip based from what you have accomplished. Choose the most appropriate option for the field. In this case, the date is the most appropriate. Here, you will click this multiple choice and then you will see these choices and then you will click this date. After clicking the date, you will see this interface on your cell phone. Next is to type in the field date. You can optimize the use of calendar. Here, you will see this month, date, year. When you click that calendar symbol, you will see this. Next step, repeat the steps in adding the questions. Click on the plus symbol. This lets you add different question boxes. Here, you will click this plus symbol. And then you will have another question box. Again, click the multiple choice. And then you will see these choices. And then you will need to click the short answer. After that, you will have this question box. You will type in destination or the venue of the field trip. After typing in, you will click the plus sign for you to be able to have another question box. Click again the multiple choice. And then you will choose drop down. After clicking the drop down, you will have this interface. You will click this question and you will type in grade level. After typing in the grade level, you will click option 1 and then you can now start typing in grade 4, grade 5, and grade 6 as the option. Again, click the plus sign, click the multiple choice, and then click short answer. Click the question and then type in name of parent or guardian. Again, click the plus sign. You will have another question box. Click the multiple choice and then click short answer. Type in or click the question. type in the contact information of parent or guardian. Now, when you click this as I symbol, you can see the preview mode of the Google form that you have done. Here is the preview mode. You will you can check if there are typing error, and then this interface. When you exit that, you can now click the publish, and then you will see this interface: publish form, responders. If you will send this Google form to a specific person, you can manage that. Okay. And then now you can share the publish Google form. Click anyone with the link so that anyone in your classmates can answer the Google form. Responder view, anyone with the link. Done. Publish. Responders, anyone with the link. Dismiss or publish. Click the publish. And now you can copy the link of your Google form. You can also shorten the URL. Copy. And this is the link of the Google Forms or Google form that I have done. Paano kung hindi mo na i-copy yung link ng Google Form na pasasagutan mo? Paano ang gagawin? Open your web browser and go to this link. Now you can see the title or the recent forms, the title of the form that you have done earlier, grade 6 class field trip slip. Okay, you can now send the Google form link to your classmates or to our GC.